Hi everybody, today in front of me I have SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. So first of all, let me show you how does the keyboard look without the separate number line. From here you want to somehow get to the keyboard settings by either tapping on this gear icon, or you can also open up the general settings app, scroll almost all the way down and go for the system category. At the system category you can opt for the languages and input section, on-screen keyboard, Gboard. At the Gboard settings page go for the preferences, and in here all that it's left to do is to turn on the number row toggle. And as you will see now, that will effectively mean that we have successfully activated the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.